Alright guys, what we're going to do here is a bearded yakking. And this is my new box. How about them Eagles today? I'm going to do a short tour. Up here, everything's not set forth yet. A little bit of sockets I got. This is my shot glass. These are all my ratchets. There's all my ratchets in here. Sorry about the lighting, but try and move so you guys can see. Ratchet drawer. Here's my pass-through socket drawer. This guy's badass. Here's just measuring devices and stuff. Digital caliper, micrometer, old school micrometer, random drain plug tool, tools, easy outs, you know, measuring shit. This is my drawer. Got 2 Ryobi batteries in it right now, but I'll fill that up sooner or later. So here's just a little miscellaneous snap ring pliers, some other bullshit, just pick set, you know. I like threw this together real quick. Another drawer junk, you know. Try to make this video short. And the top drawer here, screwdrivers. Just set back here is compliments of TJ, and this here compliments of TJ over H&H Country. You guys gotta check him out. Yeah, my screwdriver drawer in the new box. This here is my wrench drawer. And my Harbor Freight wrenches. Got my Tecton stubbies, both standard, metric. Some miscellaneous wrenches here and here. Got these bullshit ass fucking skill wrenches. These are alright. They don't work the way they say they work though. You know what I mean? Got my Husky wrenches. Got my other Pittsburgh crow's foot 3/8 drive. This next drawer. My pliers, and some random other shit. This drawer, it's got all my clamps and pry bars in it. This one here, got a couple rubber mounts. And my Pittsburgh breaker bar 1/2-inch drive, that's the beast one. And, this drawer will get filled up in time. Down here, it's all my power tools. Grinders, sanders, circular saws, Ryobi battery saw, planer, grinder, sander, some more sanders, and other shit. That's it. This is the whole tour, man. This is it. This is what we're looking at now. That's it. Well, remember, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about my quick toolbox tour of the new box. The Husky 36-inch 12 drawer. I'm satisfied. Spirit of yakking. I still sound sick as shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And we're out. Later.